Okay, boys and girls, so we are working on page 137 in your math book, My Math Book, 137. So today we're looking at subtraction, vertical subtraction. So we've done vertical addition, now we're going to do vertical subtraction. Vertical subtraction is regular subtraction, but we flip it. Just like we did with addition, we take our vertical subtraction and we flip it. So we use the minus sign because it's subtraction, and in subtraction, the biggest number always goes first, but when we do vertical subtraction, the biggest number always goes on top. So right here it says 9 minus 3 equals 6. It says the same thing over here except it's flipped. It says 9 minus 3, and this line right here is like our equal sign, equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. Okay, so we're going to do a couple of these together. Here we have regular subtraction. So we have 6 minus 2 equals, we need to find the difference. So we start off with 6 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 dots on this domino. 6 minus 2. Remember, minus means take away. So we're going to take away 2 of the dots. How many dots are left? What's the difference? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know that there are 4 dots left, right? Okay. Now we're going to do our vertical subtraction. So first we have to start with how many dots there were all together in the beginning. In the beginning we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dots all together. But then we take away 6, we subtract 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to take away these 6. How many dots are left? There were 8. We subtract 6. What's the difference? The difference is 1, 2. 2 dots are left, right? Okay, now I want you to try numbers 3 and 4 on your own. So if you need to pause right now to work on those, pause, because I am going to keep going. Okay? You are also going to do 5 and 6 on your own. These are regular subtraction, so you're going to complete these on your own. Okay? Now I'm going to do some of the vertical subtraction with you. Here we have 7 minus 2, and we need to find the difference. So we can do this with pictures, we can do this with our fingers, or we maybe already know this by memory, okay? I'm going to choose to do pictures for mine. So I know that I'm starting with 7 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, that's my big number. That's how many I'm starting with. Minus 2. Minus means take away. So I'm going to take away 2 dots. How many dots are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 dots are left. So 5 is my difference. Okay, you are going to do 8 and 9 on your own. You can draw pictures, you can use your fingers, you can use cubes if you have them with you. Okay, all of that is acceptable. Now let's do our word problem together. Our word problem says, there are 7 mangoes, my favorite fruit. There are 7 mangoes, so we're going to underline what we know. There are 7 mangoes growing on a tree. Diego picks 3 of the mangoes. So Diego picks 3 mangoes. He picks, so we know he's taking them away. So that's subtraction, right? If he's picking them off, he's taking them off. That's subtraction. And we have to find how many mangoes are still on the tree. How many mangoes are still on the tree? There were 7, but Diego took 3 of them. How many are left? So how many were on the tree in the beginning? 7. We started with 7. But then Diego took 3. What is the difference? I want you to find how many mangoes are still left on the tree. Okay, our last one says, which number sentence is shown? So all of these are number sentences. Remember, number sentences are like regular sentences. We read them from left to right, like we would read a sentence with words. This is a number sentence, this is a number sentence, this is a number sentence, this is a number sentence. Okay, so I'm looking at my picture and they're asking me which number sentence matches the picture. Okay, now just by looking at the picture, I see that some of these don't match right away. I can tell without even doing any math. And I hope you can see it too. And if you can't, I'm going to show you right now. I see my domino and I see that they took some away. And I know that this taking away means subtraction. I know that means subtraction. And I also know that subtraction uses the symbol minus, right? It uses this symbol. So when looking at my number sentences, I see that one has a minus, minus, minus. Oh, that one has a plus sign. To me, it doesn't look like I'm doing addition because we're taking away, and adding means putting, not taking away. So right away, I know this is not my answer. I can cross it out. So now that leaves me with 3 more answers, okay? So I'm gonna look at my domino. I know that in subtraction, my first number is how many I have all together. So let me see how many I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there were 8 dots altogether in the beginning. So I'm going to look through my number sentences. Does that start with 8? No. Does that start with 8? Yeah, but I'm going to check my other answers too. Does that start with 8? No. Okay, then I can see 8 minus 3 equals 5. Well, let's check it. Okay, I started with 8. I took away 3. 1, 2, 3. Yep. And I have 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Everything matches, so I know that this is my answer. 8 minus 3 equals 5 matches this picture. All right. And that's it for your math. Don't forget to finish the problems that you needed to do on your own.